Before we start the presentation, I would like to talk about what happened last time. I'm really thankful for the people who have not elected, but selected me as the. I'm really grateful for people who have nominated me as the kind of the winner. So today I'm going to be talking about what are Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). So what is SDG? The UN or United Nations established SDG in 2015 to eradicate poverty and ensure proper well-being of everybody in the society by 2030. So there are a total of 17 SDGs, but last time we talked about 9 of the most relevant SDGs to India. But today we will not be talking about them. So let's revise what we did last time. So last time we did no poverty, zero hunger, good health, climate action, quality education, and corruption in India. So now what are we going to do? Today we are going to be doing affordable and clean energy. What's the reason of this? Well, this is a very very big issue. As you might be knowing that we are using coal to produce energy, and that is very polluting. So I would like to invite Mohan to talk about what are fossil fuels and what are its harmful effects.
Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas are the main pollutants in our ecosystem. They produce greenhouse gases, which are the reason for global warming and climate change. This leads to extreme weather and natural disasters with health issues. The use and extraction of fossil fuels are the reason for health issues, and they pollute our air and water and harm the ecosystem and wildlife. To save our environment and our health, we have to start using the renewable sources of energy. Now I would like to call Himanshu to explain about the effects of fossil fuels on our health.
When you burn fossil fuels, harmful pollutants are released into the air. These pollutants cause serious damage to our health. It includes respiratory problems, heart diseases, and cancer. The fine particles present from burning these fuels can deeply affect our lungs and cause diseases such as asthma. To protect our health and the health of future generations, we need to move towards cleaner energy sources. Now I would like to call the way to start.
Our energy industry is dominated by fossil fuels like coal, oil, petroleum, natural gas. These natural gases are exhaustible and non-renewable. They are formed over the period of millions and millions of years. When we burn these fossil fuels, they release lot of harmful greenhouse effect gases that drive global warming. This global warming is really bad for our atmosphere. That is why it is essential to switch to a more renewable and safe and cleaner source of energy. And this also reduces the reliance of fossil fuels and increases the sustainability of these fossil fuels.
Fossil fuel depletion is the gradual exhaustion of resources like coal, oil, and natural gas reserves due to excess consumption. As we can see here, these non-renewable resources are very critical for energy, but at the same time, too much use damages our planet by causing problems like environmental degradation and also threatens the global sustainability. To combat this, we must accelerate towards using renewable resources, which ensures our earth stays clean and healthy. Thank you, and now I would like to go ahead for the next topic.
So till now we have talked about problems and problems only. So what are the solutions? Solution can drive change